Hello, gorgeous. Today, we're exploring beauty and makeup. To boost your confidence and style. Makeup isn't just for covering up. It's about enhancing your natural beauty and expressing yourself. Let's dive into some tips and styles to help you shine. First, skincare is the foundation. A good skincare routine is crucial. Cleanse your face twice daily to remove impurities. Exfoliate a couple of times a week to reveal fresh skin. Moisturize daily to keep your skin hydrated. And always wear sunscreen to protect your skin. Healthy skin makes makeup application smoother and gives you a radiant glow. Now, let's talk about makeup application. Start with a primer to create a smooth base, helping makeup last longer. Next, apply foundation that matches your skin tone. Using a sponge or brush for even coverage. Concealer is your best friend for blemishes and dark circles. Blend it well after foundation. Blush adds a healthy flush. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone. Applying it to the apples of your cheeks and blending upwards. Bronzer adds warmth and dimension. Apply it to areas the sun hits, like your forehead, cheekbones, and jawline. Highlighting enhances your features, applied to the high points of your face. Let's move on to eye makeup. Start with eyeshadow, choosing shades that complement your eye color and blend well. Eyeliner defines your eyes. Experiment with different styles. Mascara is essential for longer, fuller lashes. Apply a couple of coats. For your eyebrows, fill them in with a pencil or powder that matches your brow color. Brush your brows with a spoolie. Lastly, lip makeup. Choose a lip color that suits your style. Apply lip liner to define your lips. Finish with lipstick or lip gloss. Now, let's talk about different makeup styles. The natural look enhances your natural beauty, focusing on fresh, glowing skin and subtle color. The classic look is timeless, with a flawless complexion, defined eye, and bold lip. The smoky eye is perfect for a night out, with a blend of dark eyeshadows. The colorful look is about experimenting with bright, bold colors. Experiment and find what works for you. Confidence is key. Embrace your beauty and rock your style. Thanks for watching, and stay beautiful.